A celebration was organized at the Matice Gubek International School in Croatia to mark the Chinese Lantern Festival, which falls on February 5th this year. The school has been the first in Croatia where children can learn the Chinese language.
We are celebrating opening up and the Confucius Institute going back, opening with cultural events all around Croatia, all around Zagreb. We hope that starting the new lunar year, the year of the rabbit, we are starting basically to go back to our teaching locations, other cities, and also to schools to have this kind of event.
Djeca i roditelji osobito su zainteresirani za učenje kineskog jezika, dakako to je jedna egzotika u našem obrazovnom sustavu. Rado ga uče jer kroz učenje jezika uče i puno o kineskoj kulturi i o Kini uopće na djeci prihvatljiv način. Naravno da nas je korona u tome zaustavila, ali sada slavimo početak i nastavak druženja i učenja kineskog jezika.
Here we can write our names in Chinese letters, alphabet, I don't know honestly, and we can try some of their food, their ways of how they celebrate it in red, and it's really beautiful to celebrate other cultures like this.